What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to picture frame a stair tread. Stay tuned. Your first step, if you're using composite, you got to have your stringers at least 16 inches apart, okay? And then you need blocking in the corners for your picture frame. And you also, it has to be flat. So you want to take a 6 or 4 foot level and lay it across your stringers. They have to be perfectly flat. That's very important. Joist tape is optional. So I got a stringer here, and then a 4x4 in between for blocking. And then I use joist tape here. So this is perfectly flat. It helps a lot if you overhang this. So then if this is not square or something's off, you have a little leeway. You got everything flat. You got your joist tape on. And then this is, my measurement here is 50 1/4. So I made this 50 3/4. It's gonna hang over 1/4 inch on both sides, and it's gonna hang over in the front. And then I notched this to slide in the back, just so it looks better. You gotta kind of play with these. This is not a PVC board, but if you have a PVC board, the best way to do this is to Craig jig them. But that'll be it for a different video. That looks pretty close. Overhang looks good. I gotta check that overhang. This overhang, it doesn't have as much, so we're gonna slide the whole thing that way. All right, we're gonna slide it that way, right there. That should be enough. If you get a spot that's not perfect, I don't know if you guys can even see this, but that's a little, I might be able to use screws and fix that, but if you can't, you always wanna use composite shims. We made our own. You don't ever wanna use wood because it'll rot. This is good. So we're gonna go ahead and drill this down. We'll screw it down. You always want to pre-drill your holes because these screws will mushroom out the composite. It won't look as good. You want to check your miter again, because once you put that screw in, it'll be hard to move it. All right, last step, you gotta put the screws in these. Pre-drill everything again. It's easier if you pre-drill first, so you can see where your joists, where your stringers are. When you're putting screws in a line, it's easier to use a square to keep it straight. It's important with stair treads that you, especially composite, that you screw these good, because the composite itself has no structure. It's just like a wet noodle. When people step on this thing repeatedly, these screws are what's holding this tread down. That's what the final look will look like. I think it looks really good. All right guys, well that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got something out of that. I will see you in the next one.